Hello everyone, and welcome back to Sign Language Worship. My name is Mandy, and I'm so glad that you are here. Sign Language Worship is a YouTube channel dedicated to teaching you how to use sign language in order to worship our Lord and Savior. We just finished celebrating Easter, but we are not done signing about Easter. And today we're going to learn how to sign God's Not Dead by the Newsboys. This came in as a request. We're going to do it all in one shot, okay? It's a bit of an odd song in that it really switches back and forth through different parts, so we're going to do it in one shot today, okay? So there's going to be a step-by-step tutorial, and then the next video there will be a cover. So we'll be signing with the music in the next video. Hey, but housekeeping, remember, I am left-handed. That means if you are right-handed, you're gonna mirror my signs. If you look below the video in the description, you're gonna find a link to print off the lyrics or purchase the song. And last but not least, please consider subscribing to the channel. Okay, so starting off at the top, let love explode and bring the dead to life. So this is the sign for let, okay? Just kind of two hands out from your body. You don't have to sign let. If you want, you can go straight to love explode, okay? Love, crossing your arms across your body, and then explode. You have two fists on top of each other, and then explode them, okay? Explode, explode, and bring, okay? Like you're carrying something, and bring the dead. So for dead, you have both hands flat, one palm is up, one palm is down, and then flip them, okay? The dead to life. You can leave to out if it's too much, okay? This is a faster song, which makes it a little tricky, but there's not a lot of vocab, so that makes it a little simpler, okay? So, let love explode and bring the dead to life. See, I won't sign to in there as well. A love so bold, a love, and then bold. You're starting here with your fingers a little spread and then coming out to fists. Bold, okay? Bold, to see, and then revolution. You have your one arm down here, one arm up like this, and you... No, that's not right. Oh man, it's such a bummer when I watched the end video and realized that I made a mistake. Okay, so revolution, your non-dominant hand is like this, your dominant hand, so it's like this. Notice it's a fist, okay? It's a fist. Fingers in and then flip it out, okay? That's revolution. I'm not gonna change the cover, but you guys know this is how you sign revolution, okay? Now, back to the tutorial. So let's try that from the top. Let love explode and bring the dead to life. A love so bold to see a revolution somehow. We're not gonna sign somehow. We're gonna stop there, and then that repeats. Now I'm lost in your freedom. So now is like this, okay? So you're gonna bend that second, third, and fourth finger in towards your body. Your pinky and your thumb are gonna be straight out, and bring them down. Now, okay? Now, and then I'm lost. You can do I like this or I like this. And then lost is like this. But I might be signing that I'm overwhelmed, okay? So your hands start here and then kind of throw them over your head like you're overwhelmed, okay? Overwhelmed. I'm overwhelmed. And then freedom, you're making Fs. Okay, so for that you have your index finger and your thumb together. Start with your arms crossed, like this, freedom. Okay, I'm lost in your freedom. In this world, so you can do this if you want, but you don't have to. World is W's. So you take your dominant W and go around your non-dominant W. In this world, I'll, and then overcome, you have your non-dominant hand out like this, and with a fist, you're gonna overcome it. It's a lot like evening, but you wanna do it with a little more force, okay? Overcome. Let's try that from the top. Let love explode and bring the dead to life. A love so bold to see a revolution somehow. And then that repeats, and then now I'm lost in your freedom. In this world, I'll overcome. And then the chorus, my God's not dead. So my, it's like that. You can also just go straight into God's not dead. So for God, it's a B down the middle of your face. God's not. So for that, you have a fist with your thumb up and you kind of come out from your chin and you shake your head. Not, okay? Not dead. We learned that already. He's alive. So he, pointing to God in heaven. Now, if this was slower, we could do surely alive. Like this is a sign for sure. But this is just way too fast. So we're just going to say he's alive. And then living on the inside, so pointing in you, living on the inside, and then roaring like a lion. So for roaring, you have your fingers slightly bent here just below your chin and then coming out, okay? Roaring, roaring, roaring. Okay, I have seen it where it shakes sometimes, but honestly, there's just not time. So just roaring like that, okay? Roaring, and then like, so this is the same hand position as now, right? This was now, same hand position, and we just move it back and forth with our palm down, like, and then a lion, kind of show the mane, okay? So it's like a really open C hand, and you go over your head. Okay, let's try the chorus from the top. God's not dead, he's alive, living on the inside, roaring like a lion. Again, God's not dead, he's surely alive, living on the inside, roaring like a lion. Okay, and now we'll move on to what I suspect is verse 2, let hope arise. Okay, so let, again, let, you don't have to do it though, you can also just go straight to hope. So for hope, you have your hands straight and then bending it at your fingers, okay? Hope, you do it twice, hope. Hope arise and make, okay, so you have your fist, bend your wrist, straighten your wrist, and make the darkness, hands over your face, and then hide, hand under your non-dominant hand that's kind of cup-shaped, okay? Let's try that from the top. Hope arise and make the darkness hide. My faith is dead, I need a resurrection somehow. So my, and then faith, gonna start with an F up here and bringing it down to an F in front of you. Okay, my faith is dead, okay, dead. I need, and then resurrection, so it's someone who's dead and bringing them back to life, okay, resurrection. Okay, let's try those two lines together. Let hope arise and make the darkness hide. My faith is dead. I need a resurrection somehow. And then the line again, now I'm lost in your freedom. Now I'm lost in your freedom. And honestly, you're gonna just have time for lost in freedom. In this world, I'll overcome. Then back to that chorus, okay? My God's not dead, he's alive, living on the inside, roaring like a lion. God's not dead, he's alive, living on the inside, roaring like a lion. And then it says, roaring, roaring, he's roaring like a lion. So he, pointing to God in heaven, roaring, he's roaring, roaring like a lion. He's roaring, roaring, roaring like a lion. Okay, and then the bridge, let heaven roar. So let, but you don't have to do let. Heaven, you kind of circle your hands over one another and then kind of show where heaven would be, okay? Those gold streets way up there. Okay, heaven, roar, and fire. This is a sign for fire. So rolling hands, kind of wiggling your fingers to show the flames. And then fall, so you're up here, fall. Okay, so it's kind of like pinky ears, but you're facing them out. Then come down, but your hands straight, okay? It's a peace sign, okay? Peace falls. Okay? Come shake the ground. Come, or we're inviting God, so even that might make more sense to do God coming here. Shake the ground. with the sound. Okay, so for that you have your thumb at your ear, and then you're just kind of doing bunny ears with your second and third finger. If that's too hard, you can just do sound like that, or sound. Okay, sound. Of revival. Revival is ours here. Okay, let's try the bridge again. Okay, let heaven roar and fire fall. Come shake the ground. Sorry, this is here and this is ground. With the sound of revival. Let's do it one more time. Let heaven roar. Okay, and fire fall. Come shake the ground with the sound of revival. Okay, and then it goes back to that chorus. So we've officially learned everything. Now it's time to do a walkthrough. So we are going to start from the top and go all the way to the bottom, okay? So let love explode and bring the dead to life. A love so bold to see a revolution somehow. Now I'm lost in your freedom. And like I said, when that music happens, it's just gonna be lost and then freedom. Okay, in this world, I'll overcome so we're on to the chorus now. My God's not dead. He's alive, living on the inside, roaring like a lion. God's not dead. He's alive, living on the inside, roaring like a lion. Now verse 2, okay? Let hope arise and make the darkness hide. My faith is dead. I need a resurrection somehow. Now I'm lost in your freedom. In this world, I'll overcome. And back to that chorus. My God's not dead. He's alive, living on the inside, roaring like a lion. God's not dead. He's surely alive, living on the inside, roaring like a lion. And then he's roaring, like a lion. He's roaring. And then it goes to that bridge. Let heaven roar and let fire fall. Come shake the ground with the sound of revival. And then that repeats. Let heaven roar and fire fall. Come shake the ground with the sound of revival. And then back to that chorus. Now the chorus repeats 4 times here. I'm just gonna do it once, okay? My God's not dead. He's alive, living on the inside, roaring like a lion. Repeats 4 times. We're just gonna do it once. And after those 4 times, another section of he's roaring like a lion. And then it ends with he's roaring like a lion. And that's everything you need, guys. So practice as much as you need. And when you're ready, I'll see you in the next video when we're signing with the music. Hope you're having a great day. Bye. I am so blessed and encouraged to hear over and over again how God is using this channel in order to accomplish his mission here on earth. If you have a story, please leave it in the comments or send me an email. It's so encouraging to me when I hear what sign language worship means to you.